Hi, Ellie here, and today we are reviewing the Ooni Fyra 12 after 2 years. Let's do it. I own a number of pizza ovens and have been collecting them over the years and reviewing them as I go along. I can offer my real honest thoughts and tips on how to use these ovens and share my experiences with you as I continue on my pizza cooking journey. Let's do it. The Ooni Fyra is designed to bring the authentic wood-fired pizza experience to your garden or backyard. It's made from high-quality steel, making it durable and lightweight, weighing just 10 kilograms, 22 pounds. The oven's compact size allows for portability, making it perfect for outdoor gatherings or pizza parties at home or on the go. The stone measures 13.25 inches square with a thickness of 0.4 inches. The highest point of the oven measures at 3.5 inches. So let's take a closer look at some of the features of the Ooni Fyra 12. Its gravity-fed pellet hopper helps you focus on the cook at the front, as the hopper releases the pellets into the grate at the back. The pellets are clean and efficient and provide that classic wood-fired flame you expect from a wood-fired oven. Plus, they ignite quickly, so you'll be ready to cook in no time. One of the impressive features of the Ooni Fyra is its heat-up time. You should be able to heat your oven up in about 15 to 20 minutes to get it to a temperature of 450 degrees Celsius, which is 842 degrees Fahrenheit. Allowing you to cook a perfectly crispy pizza in just 60 to 90 seconds. It's ideal for those who love quick and delicious pizza. The compact design of the Fyra 12 makes it highly portable. It weighs only 22 pounds, 10 kilograms, and can easily be carried to your favourite outdoor spot. Whether you're camping, picnicking, or just cooking outdoors, this oven is your perfect companion. Operating the Fyra is simple. Its intuitive design requires minimal assembly, and the chimney and hopper make it easy to load and remove wood pellets. The oven also features a chimney vent and a fuel hopper door to regulate the heat and maintain the desired temperature. Now let's talk about the cooking experience with the Fyra 12. As you can see, the Ooni Fyra delivers great wood-fired pizza results. The high heat and the wood pellets create a beautiful charred crust while keeping the centre perfectly cooked. You get a crispy, crunchy pizza right at home. Don't limit yourself to just pizza though, because the oven can cook flatbreads, roast vegetables, or even bake desserts. And don't forget garlic bread, my favourite. The only challenge with this oven if you are new to pizza cooking is the door. You will need to keep the door on during the cook, and there is no way to see what is happening inside properly with that on. You will get used to that though, as you will hear and smell the pizza cooking, and that will give you information as to how fast your pizza is cooking inside. The hinge to hang the door as you turn your pizza is a huge bonus, and I love that. The baffle control on the chimney has come loose on my oven, but I don't use it anyway as I keep the chimney fully open for all my cooks. I do intend on removing it because it keeps slipping down. Cleaning the oven is simple with a Fyra 12. The steel construction is easy to wipe down, and the removable chimney and hopper allow for easy access and maintenance. Just ensure that all the ash is removed from the grate before you use it next. The holes in the grate are important for heating up and producing an airflow for the flames during the cook. So in conclusion, the Ooni Fyra 12 after 2 years is doing great. It's a super starter oven for cooking pizza and for those who like to make pizza on the go due to its portability. There is no need for a gas tank, you just need a bag of pellet fuel. It has a fast heat up time, and its delicious crispy results make it a great choice for outdoor cooking. Whether you're a seasoned pizza cook or just starting your pizza journey, this oven will certainly cook you some delicious crispy pizza on your adventures. Check out my other pizza oven review videos on the link above. I hope you enjoyed this review. Thanks for watching. Bye.